Hey, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the 5th Leaders for Nature Forum. We're here today to start the annual program of Leaders for Nature 2012. And this year we're going to build sustainable business together.
Leaders for Nature is actually a kind of a movement. A few years ago, in 2005 or even in 2004, we from ICN thought it was very important to bring biodiversity issue to the companies.
Focusing on the planet aspects of sustainability and then really focusing on what the planet provides to our economy and our society to be sustained.
But the truth is, the environment we operate in, both the ecosystem, the politics, the society, the economy, everything is tremendously complicated. So with such a complex system, you're going to make mistakes. And if you suffer from the God complex, you're not going to recognise your mistakes, you're not going to fix your mistakes. But my principle is, if you recognise that you're going to make mistakes, you're going to get to solutions a lot quicker.
Will ecosystem services ever reach economic maturity?
Maybe a contradiction, because it may not always be a technological solution.
But does it challenge you?
Yeah, it challenges me very much.
There are so many species here, and they all are interconnected. Basically, they can't survive without each other, and I think that's something that we should always remember in our daily life and as a company, that biodiversity is more essential than you can imagine.
Hey girl.
Yeah, the team session today was very nice. What was very important, that we did not stay at just making plans, but actually said who's going to do it and who's going to present the plans to the board. So I really have the feeling that we're getting somewhere with this session today.
I saw actually people running and being enthusiastic. I have one more deal, and I have one more deal, and I think that enthusiasm is I think key to what Leaders for Nature does.